Welcome everybody. So I've filled up the diesel on the LANDROVER DISCOVERY TD5 and the door wouldn't shut. So this is the diesel fuel door. So I looked at it and decided that probably the latch was the culprit. So here's the part, Brit part BAPX70010. This is a new one going on. Well, it is a bit of a pain, but it's pretty simple. Now, you will have seen the title of the video, and so the new latch does not make a blind bit of difference. In fact, I think it made it a little bit worse. So now I needed to find out what was actually wrong with it. So I'm just checking this little plunger is all the way out and not seized. I'll just put a little pair of pliers on just to make sure. Then I'm going to check to make sure there's nothing weird with the hinge. That seems simple and all straightforward. The latch does move. Still isn't shut. And this is when I found out what it was. So this is it opening on the button on the dashboard. And this bracket is the culprit. Somehow, whether it was just from closing it up, it had bent itself out of shape. So if you bend it in like that, it will not stay shut. And it doesn't need to be much either, because I would have noticed it when I was looking at it before I bought the part. But you bring it back out, and then, or you bend it back out, sorry, and then you close the door, and then it's all right. So you just have a little bit of a tweak, but I mean, I didn't actually touch it in the first place. Maybe the old latch was a little bit tight and it just forced everything the wrong way. I don't know. So hopefully this video helped somebody. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.